two Leclerc MBT tank models by Microworld. You can pause the screen and read that. Two models. So I am upset with actually this model, or at least the silver one. I don't know which box was the silver one, because in the video you will see that it came with a different barrel than what is shown. The gold one is fine, so let's look at the gold one first. Barrel is a bit leaning downy, just fine. I wish it was up more, but that's probably my fault. I probably could do a little bit more. It's kind of shaky here. I don't know if you can fix that personally. Maybe the barrel, probably fix the barrel, but these definitely are just gonna be shaky. Bottom texture, Microworld. Top, these little flaps where the people come out of, those open up. This one's awkward because it seems like it shouldn't open up in that direction. The back side. Other angles, machine gun. And then the model I'm upset with. It looks like this is a default barrel too if they don't have it. Because I have bought another tank model by Microworld and it has the same barrel. See, it's got the same barrel. That's not the barrel associated with that tank, so. Detailing on the back. Now if you pay attention, this paintwork kind of matches up with each other. Like this gray kind of matches up with this gray into that gray. Make sure the camouflage matches with the camouflage of the next piece. Boom boom. Pow. Pow. Pow pow. Pow. I just wish they made the metal piece that holds the barrel. It's stronger, so that way the barrel can stand up. Pow. Pow.